guys, good day and welcome to another brand new video episode, weekly brand new video and weekly update episode 43 actually. So we'll be starting this week, by the way, and showing you the activities we are up to in the shop and what we will be doing. So guys, let me first appreciate you before I continue. Thank you guys for those of you who have watched our previous video, both the new video we uploaded, the tutorial, the shorts, and the weekly update. Thank you guys for watching all. So the last vlog I post, I said I will be showing you when I am delivering the bag to the client and show you the finished bag, but actually I make a video on that, but I don't know how come when after I finish editing the weekly update I upload the last one, actually I mistakenly delete those ones. So I never knew I deleted it. I deleted with the previous one I finished editing, because once I finish editing I delete those ones. So at the end of the day today, now before I start making this video, because I make that one already and keep it, I was trying to check and see where I stopped there so that I can know where to start today and do the intro then continue. I discover I can't find it on my system, so that is just devastated. Since morning I've just been at the office or studio working, doing some activities. Actually the work I was doing is just like I'm working on some design and illustration, because there are work that will be starting this week or next week by God grace. So I will be doing tutorial on those work. You guys will be seeing what we'll be doing and what we'll be up to in the shop. Not everything we do in the shop we make tutorial on or post. That's the reason why I started this weekly update, so that you guys will be updated. So anyone you see you like us to make and we've not make the tutorial, you can let me know in the comment section below. And thank you guys for those of you who have been getting in contact with me about the online training. We really appreciate those of you who have registered and have started as well. And for those of you who have not started yet, we still anticipate your reply. We anticipate your registration. And some people did not understand. Actually, the online training is not free. You have to pay for it. So have that in mind. I'm not running that for free because it takes time. There's a reason behind me not putting everything on YouTube. So, but I try my best for the one I know I can do and put on YouTube. I put it here for you guys to learn. So that's just it. So as I said, guys, I've been very busy working, doing some design work and illustration. In a second now, I will just show you like a sneak peeks of what I've done so far. So, and actually I came to the shop again last year. When I filmed last, I didn't get to do all the recording and keeping, so I have finished it this week as well. I did that, so I start planning. The previous video I make, immediately I came back, I start making that for some clients. So, and there are some accessories and material that to be sent by a client, so it's coming by the weekend. So once I collect that, we'll start the rest of the work. So I should be expecting 2 different material. Then a client again talk to me. So actually when they send money of theirs as well, we'll also be going to market. So I might take you guys along with me when buying the accessories and the material in the market, so that you guys see how we buy things in the market. So right now I'll be turning my camera and show you what I've been up to. Actually there's this illustration on the board from last year. So I wanted to clean this, but I discovered that I've not put it inside a book. The crossbody bag I made, if you guys can remember, maybe I'll put the link here, somewhere here, or in the description. The crossbody bag we did last year, so I was the one using it, so I did not put it in my book, but it's on the board. So I just discovered that, and I also did that first before I start the rest of the design. So guys, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. When you subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so that you get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section below the tutorial you would like to see on this channel, or if you have any design you want us to try, we'll try as much as possible to do that. So, and for those of you who want online training or physical training, my WhatsApp is in the link in the description. You can get in contact to me. So there is a discount actually. Now we are really running discounts on what we'll be doing, and on this channel this year again, there are some video I plan on making, but I just pray I have time enough early for me to make those videos so that you guys can learn from it. There are a lot of video like illustration, designing, material sustainability, a lot, crafts and drafting, pattern cutting. There are a lot of video I plan to make this year. I've made some video previously, but I will still like improve on that, add more information to it. But it's a new video that will be coming this year, so I'm just using this time to update you guys. This weekly update is not just about talking. I will still show you the activities we'll be up to, but I know by now I should be taking almost 6 minutes of your time talking about this, but if you listen closely, you still learn something from what I have been saying. So if you do enjoy this video, give it a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section what you think and the next tutorial you would like to see on this channel. Share this with people. Share this channel with people you know they are just starting their bag making journey and they would like to see a place on YouTube for them to learn. So thank you guys for watching, and I will be showing you the illustration and design I have been up to since morning. So see you at the other side. Bye for now. So as I've said guys, this is the illustration I was talking about. So, it has been here since last year, so I did not clean the board. Even some of the work I did, I just like do the illustration on a book and finish everything I wanted to do. So this is this particular one you are seeing right now. So in the book, this is what I've done so far. You see, if you check the date, this is 27th of, which is part 2. This is today, but if you understand, I explained to you last year that I normally make tutorial down a week before I will upload it, so that there will be enough time. I've tried to make tutorial on that same week I will upload it, but I see that it's not working. The stress is too much for me to edit, come down up with idea and what we are doing. If you are too busy, sometimes I won't be able to film. So that's the reason why I normally do it earlier. So as you can see, this is the previous one. So this is another bag we'll be making. I've not signed it or put the dates. As you can see, this is a new design here. You'll be seeing tutorial of this on the channel. Here is another one here, and here is another one here. So I was supposed to make 5, but I just make 3 now. But later on, maybe not in this video or anytime I do it, I will inform you guys that if I make the rest, the 2 that is remaining, so I will show you guys so that you guys will get updated. So this is what I've been up to so far. So by the way, right now I will be cleaning this board so that it will be clear, so that if we have new stuff we are about to do, we'll put it there, because it's much easier for me as well when I want to cut to look at the board instead of the book sometimes, and for you guys to learn as well. So let me show you the shop. As you guys can see, actually I even bought some 2 fabrics, but when I start using that, you guys will see it's inside this black nylon. As you can see, this one and the other one, as you can see. So we still have some stock down from last year, and we have some of the Ashoke fabrics, some of our fabrics we use, some of the new fabrics, some new fabrics are here as well that we are about to use. So anything you want here, please comment down and you shall get a discount on it. And also, this place some of these are still, I know then I said we make some of this thing. So some of the bag are still here, that's from last year. I told you that some of the bag are tutorial lesson we make for some clients. So if any of you really like the bag and you want to get it, you can send me a DM. My WhatsApp is also in the link in the description, and get in contact to me. And some of these are sample we make from last year, so we mass produce this for the clients we make the sample for. We'll be sending this very very soon. We'll be auctioning it, and I think maybe on the channel. So if any of you want anything you see here, just make sure to talk to me. So I'll be ending this particular video here before we continue the rest of the activities for the week, and I will update you as things are going. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. So guys, welcome back to another day in the making of the weekly update. I said once I'm in the market, I'll try to vlog for you, but time did not warrant me, as I even forgot I was supposed to do that. But these are the stuff I bought. So once I use them, you'll see some of the material we'll be using to make some bags, and once we make the bag, you'll see how beautiful and quality the materials are. So I'll be using this now. I'll put it on the decks, and I will close them so that you guys can see. So guys, here are the stuff. Here is the material. This is a one that has like a spring, a snake print. Then this is another brown. This is another green. And on this side as well, I bought this gold. The gold is looking very good. Then I bought another shade of green as well, but it's a little bit different to this green. As you can see, this is a little bit like dark, and this one is a different green. So, and this black, as you can see, the black. Then this one that is a kind of lilac, or let me say, okay, let's say lilac. Then this one with this flower. I'm just going to test this out, so I will see how beautiful it is. Once I love it and the clients love it as well, we are going to add more to it. Then this another prints of snake. So as you can see, there are two different things. This one has a glossy finish face, while this has a embossed texture to it. As you can see, if you are touching it, it has a embossed to it, while this is a glossy face. So okay, that's not just the material, and this is the one. This is another material that feels like a animal skin material, just like a plain animal skin. I hope you guys are seeing it clearly. So I bought this on a very high scale, so we'll be using it to make some bags, some backpacks, some traveling bag for clients as well. There's no client that requests for it. I just saw it in the market and I love it, so I just decided to bought it. So, and I've gone out of budget, which is very, very bad. I was hoping I will be able to stop that in this new year, but still I keep on doing it. So I bought some thread again. Actually, I need black thread. So instead of me to just buy one black thread, I end up buying the half carton, which is 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I just like think of the thread I don't have in the shop, which is this, like this what should I call it, orange, then this yellow and the hash. Then I bought this rivet again. I will be needing rivet, so instead of me to start measuring, I decide to just buy the pack itself. So that's the thing I buy from the market. And that gum, the one I used to use, is inside there, as you can see, under the decks. So this is another one here. So that's just it. I think if the video is not too long, once we start the bag, but I will try as much as possible to show one of the bag, like the one I was supposed to start before. So probably once I start it, maybe tomorrow or next, I will try to include this in this week update. So and I think this is where I'll be ending this video here, because it's already late. I'll be locking the studio now. I'm going home because I just came back from the market. Thank you guys for watching. If you do enjoy this video, or if you have any question, please feel free to leave it in the comment section down below. You can share this video, you know it might be of help to them. Give this video a giant thumbs up if you do enjoy it, and we shall see you at the other side. Thank you guys for watching, and bye for now. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the weekly update, another day actually. So during the weekend, or let me say during the week, I said I would be making some bags, which I did not start. So I made this particular one you are seeing here, this one, but I'm not even proud of the bag I made, because I did not later like how it turns out to be. But it was like a experiment to try out some stuff. I've made something like this in the past, but I'm trying a new design that is a little bit different to the one I used to make. So I'm not satisfied with it, but actually I see the error I make, and I've tried to change it, and we'll still be working on the rest of the bag. Actually, I've started cutting some stuff inside, as you can see from the inside, so that will be in next week updates by God grace, finger crossed. So there are a lot of work that we'll be doing for the next week that we are going to be starting today, actually, because I have to end this video today, edit it, and try to upload it as soon as I can. So and by the way, this is part of the leather I bought the other time. So there's this particular green. Okay, let me turn my camera so that you guys can see it clearly. So here's the bag here. The bag is actually looking good. It's looking good, but I'm not okay with the way it is. So I have to improve on the design and everything. So this is the leather I'll be using for some of those bags. You know, this is a particular green. This is a brown. This is like a snake print. Then we have this gold. Actually, I didn't turn it forward. Wow. Then there's another green here again that is a little bit different to that green. Then this black. Then this lilac. This flourish blue and lilac as well. Then this another snake print. So the gold, let me see if I can see the gold actually. I'm going to pick out the gold now and turn it. So the gold, this is the gold. This is the gold, as you can see, and it's a very good and strong material. So that's it for you guys. I hope you do enjoy this week update. If you do, try to subscribe to the channel and give us a giant thumbs up. Leave in the comment section down below what you think as we'll proceed to making the next week updates. So thank you guys for watching, and I think this is where I will be ending this video for this week, and I will see you in the next week updates. Bye for now.